Hello guys, today I show you how to copy very fast with the same distance like this, you see. So the object is the same, but the distance is also the same. How to copy this? So I have many object here, see, it's many. So how to do it? Okay, so example, I take type measure tool. Again. Okay. And then I draw a rectangle. I press R. Okay, press P. Okay. It's more like this, space. And then I group this object. Right click, group, my group. Okay. And then how to copy it? Just one time, but very fast. Just click on it and type M. Okay, drag it and P. So how many distance? So this is the distance. Yeah, this is the distance. You see here. So how many distance? Example 50000. So big, eh? Wow, so big again. Okay, again. Okay, I press M. Okay, drag it, press. I type example 30000. Yeah, and then I press example. I want to copy 20x and enter. See? You see? It is the same. If you're not sure, you can measure distance here from here to here. It's 26607. Again here. It's 26607, the same, yeah. All the measure is the same. Yeah. So you just copy one time, but you get a lot of object which is the same and the same distance. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.